Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact's black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just open your settings and then click here privacy and scroll down until you find background apps, and here we'll find background apps. Now turn it on. You will find it like that and turn it off, and then just close it and go to task manager, right click on this bar and you will find it here. And now just click memory and close all the applications that use a lot of your memory, like Google Chrome, as you see here. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.